You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the city in Italy, in Calabria. Calabria, Italy. If you want to learn more names from Calabria and from famous places in Italy, stay tuned, we got many more. So the Italian pronunciation, I'll link to a few more videos for you at the end of this one. The Italian pronunciation here is Cosenza. Cosenza. Alright, so the S at the beginning, the S is pronounced like an S and the C is pronounced Z, okay, like TS. Cosenza. Therefore in English, quite similarly, Cosenza. It's easy once you know Cosenza, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.